La 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 la. The winter wind begins to blow. The world is dusting white with snow, but in our hearts the fire is bright to welcome in this magic night. Sophie and Emma look above. Stars are shining down with love. Felina and Louis join the fun. The holiday has just begun. Lena smiles, the treat smells sweet. Christmas time is such a treat. And for the one I must not name, the golden candles glow the same.